How to unlink Bloxlink account from Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can unlink your Roblox account from your Discord. It's fast and simple, so just follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go to the Bloxlink website, which is blocks.link. Log in with your Discord account by tapping on Sign in with Discord in the top right corner of the screen. Once in this page, go ahead and tap on Authorize with your official account. And after logging in, you need to go to the dashboard in the top right corner of the screen. You will see all your linked Roblox characters if you have one. So if you already have one linked character, click on the trash icon next to it in order to unlink it. And to add a new character before unlinking, you can click on the add another one and then authorize your Roblox account with Bloxlink. Click on continue. Click on confirm and give access. Go through the on-screen instructions and you'll be done. So now if you want to remove the old one, you can go ahead and tap on this trash icon over here and you'll be done. So these changes will update on Discord soon after you make them. So I hope this helped you unlink your Roblox account from Discord. If it did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.